So today I'm reviewing this Minecraft Pops 3D activity set, and it comes with 30 markers, well 30 pieces overall. So I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. It's supposed to come with 18 washable mini markers, 3 buildable character pages, 3 pop-out pages, 3 sticker sheets, 2 dual-sided backgrounds, 1 standee page, and 2 instruction sheets, and 1 tape sheet. So this is how it looks when you open it up. Here are the pretty markers you guys have. So this is how it looks. They're pretty small, perfect for small hands. And, oh, sorry. And this is everything you get inside. Here are some stickers like they said you'd get. So these are like very nice. My bad. And these are other stickers, just plain white stickers. And here are some of the illustrations they have here. Oh, sorry, it's supposed to be like this. So it's very nice. And it also comes with directions as well. So if you think your kid will love this, I definitely do recommend it.